Today we're going to be making another saved meal. This one comes from Self Magazine. It's the wilted kale, chickpea, and quinoa bowl with tahini dressing. This one comes via Facebook, probably circa, I want to say 2019, around there. I stopped using Facebook in 2020, so it was sometime before then. So we're going on 6 years. Gosh, has it really been that long? Wow. Time really does fly by. That's pretty wild. Anyways. Hey, welcome back to my office on the side of my refrigerator. I really want to encourage everyone to start making their saved meals. This has been really fun for me. I've only done a few so far, but still, it's really funny to think about what I was interested in at that time and why I never made it. It's time now though. I love grain bowls. This is a grain bowl. I'm making this for lunch. It's the middle of the day. Everybody is gone. And I'm gonna have a nice little grain bowl salad, and I really hope that you come along for the ride. If you are interested in motivational videos, life stuff, marking stuff off your to-do list, learning new skills, then this is the place for you. Please subscribe and you'll see a lot more of this type of content. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's do a bit of a shallow dive on quinoa. Quinoa is known as the mother of all grains to the Incas. It was domesticated 3,000 to 7,000 years ago in the Andean region of Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Ecuador. It was a sacred staple crop for Andean civilizations, but was suppressed by Spanish conquerors in the 1500s and rediscovered in the 1970s. It gained global popularity as a nutritional superfood. Quinoa is high in fiber, protein, iron, and amino acids. The first thing I needed was 1 cup of cooked quinoa. So this is 1/3 dry quinoa and then twice the amount of water. Then I need to go ahead and preheat my oven to 400 degrees. And I used a silpat here, and I put my chickpeas on the sheet pan. And then I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and then season it with paprika, salt, and pepper. Then this went into the oven to roast for 25 minutes. Honorable mention to my olive oil sprayer. It sprays and it pours, and I absolutely love it. I happen to have some kale growing in my garden, so I was able to cut those, although I can only use the inner leaves because the outer leaves keep getting mold on them. If anyone knows why that's happening, please let me know. I needed to chop my kale, and then I actually had some leftover kohlrabi, so I chopped up the kohlrabi leaves as well from my other video that I did on kohlrabi. And I'm also going to wash those and put them in the salad spinner. I just love salad spinners. I don't know where I was without them, just with lots of soggy lettuce and vegetables, I suppose. The kale was then roasted in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and then I started my dressing, which is tahini, nutritional yeast, and lemon. This actually turned out really good. I'll definitely be going back to this dressing. This is what the kale, kohlrabi leaves, and the chickpeas look like when they came out of the oven. Stick around for the end for a blooper where I actually dumped this all over the counter. It was great. Once everything was cooked, I was able to put it all together in 2 bowls for my husband and I to have a really nice high protein, high fiber lunch together. All right, that was super easy, and now I have lunch for me and for my husband. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I did try the dressing. It was really good. I don't think I've ever put nutritional yeast with tahini like that, but it's a really great combination with the lemon juice. See if we get just little bits of everything. As predicted, my chickpeas are not very crispy. I don't know, I can never get those right, but this is really good. It's gonna be super filling and have a ton of protein in it. And I really like all the flavors together. I probably would make this again as a really easy grain bowl in the middle of the day. I really hope that you come back. I'll be doing a lot more save meals. This is one of, or I guess this is my third one, and I have hundreds of save meals. What's your next save meal that you're making? Please come back next time and check out my other series. I hope you have a great day and enjoy some good food today. Enjoy some good food, kiss your loved ones. Just enjoy that life. Bye. Learning new skills. Oh my God, what a disaster. As predicted, my